Welcome to the presentation of how to create an SSIS package using the import and export wizard in SQL Server 2008. SSIS package is a collection control flow elements, data flow elements, event handlers, variables and configurations. It can be used to perform various tasks like importing or exporting a database or the database objects, backing up or restoring database, etc. Start the SQL Server Management Studio by selecting Microsoft SQL Server 2008 from the Start menu and then select SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio is an integrated environment for accessing, configuring, managing, administrating, and developing all components of SQL Server. It combines a broad group of graphical tools with number of rich scripts editor to process access to the SQL Server to administrators and developers of all skills level. Now connect to the database engine to manage the SQL Server relational database. Database engine is a collection of information stored on computer in a systematic way. It is mainly used for securing, storing and processing data in the database. Start the import and export wizard using the SSMS when the user is connected to the SQL Server relational engine. To start the import and export wizard, follow the steps. Through SSMS, connect to the instance of SQL Server 2008 database engine that contains the source or the destination of the data. Open the Object Explorer. Various object containers under the SQL Server connections are listed. To start the import and export wizard, right-click the database that is to be used as the source or the destination. Click Task. Now, if the database chosen is the source of data, select Export Data option. And if the database chosen is the destination for some files, select Import Data option. Now, the import and export wizard lets the user choose the data source where the data will be coming from, such as SQL Server database, an Excel spreadsheet or a flat file. The Choose a Destination page lets the user specify whether the data will be sent. Specify the destination type and if applicable the server name and security setting needing to the data access. If the user has chosen import data in the SSMS to the start wizard, the destination setting would match to those of the database that was selected prior to starting the wizard. If the user has selected a relational database source that allows custom queries on the specified table copy or query paste section, he can choose to copy the data directly from the source to the destination or to specify a query. If the source is a relational database and the query is not specified, one can choose tables and views from the source on the Select Source Tables and View Page sections. Use the Save and Run package page to execute the package immediately or save the package for later execution. This final page of the Import Export wizard lets the user execute and or to save the package. Thanks for watching our video.